Hi, I'm Paul Crowley from the Net Return, and today we're going to discuss how to install your golf simulator into your Pro Turf. Let's get started.
Alright, what you're going to need is a utility knife, a black permanent marker, and your rubber floor tiles. Alright, so we're going to lift the edge of the turf, we're going to flip it on its back side, and now what we're going to do is we're going to mark out where we're going to hit off of the optishot, and we're going to set this up, and this is very important, on the opposite side, because when we flip it back over our turf, it's going to be on the correct side. So I'm going to line this with my driver, make sure my feet are set squarely on the turf. I'm about an inch or two off the edge there. And once I've got it aligned, then I could begin to mark it out. Remember now that you're setting up to hit in the opposite direction away from the screen. Alright, so now I'm going to mark out with the black marker the outline of my optishot hitting pad. Now remember, the optishot hitting pad has a USB connection, which we're also going to flip so that when we cut it out, the USB connector is facing on the correct side as well. Notice how it's facing off to the left right now. When I flip the turf over, it'll be on the right hand side in the correct position. I fit in my base, and once I'm sure that fits okay, I'll cut out the USB connection area. Now once I flip the turf over, I'm going to have to install my floor tiles so that I'm at the correct height for the optishot. The optishot base is about 1 1/8 inches, and the Pro Turf is about 3/4 of an inch. So I'm using 1/2 inch rubber floor tiles, which I've obtained at my local Home Depot store, to fit underneath my turf. Then I mark out exactly according to my cutout for the optishot base. Once that's done, slide some cardboard underneath so I don't damage my hardwood floors, and then again with the utility knife to cut out the rubber floor tiles to fit the base. Once this is done, I want to remove my cardboard underneath, lay back down my turf, align it, and then fit back in the optishot base unit. Notice how the USB connection is facing in the correct direction now. Once that's done, it's nice and level with my hitting surface. I'm going to connect my USB cable between the turf and my rubber flooring tiles. Slide it underneath my side barrier and connect it directly into my PC where my software is running.
Alright, now that we've installed our optishot golf simulator hitting pad into our Pro Turf, we're ready to get started. Fire up the computer, turn off the lights, and now you're set. Let's start playing.